Welcome to another DIYauto.com video DIY. In this episode, we will be replacing the side mirror on a 2011 Volkswagen CC. Here are the tools you'll need to complete this task. You have to remove the door panel so you can access the wiring harness. First, remove the push pin on the front of the door, then the two screws on the bottom of the door. Next, remove the window switch panel. Pry from the front so you don't break any of the clips. Remove the trim on the front of the handle. Now you can see two screws that hold the panel to the door. After you remove the screws, you can carefully pry the door panel off the door. There are clips around the edge of the door that will pop out if you pry them in the right place. After you've gotten all the clips, lift up to remove the panel. Here's a look behind the door so you can see where the clips are. The mirror trim panel comes off with one screw. With the trim panel removed, you can unscrew the mirror mounting bolt. Unplug the mirror's wiring harness from the door panel. The harness is held to the door with clips that you can pry off. Snake the harness through the door panel and you can remove the mirror. Make sure you test your new mirror before you put everything back together. After bolting the mirror back to the door, reassemble the door panel. Throw out your old mirror. Now you can see. Good job. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.